Around $63 per month, $2.10 per day, the easiest way to mine cryptocurrency at home on your PC. Let's go straight into the video. First, open the Google browser and type cryptex.org. Find the link in the description below. Click on Download Cryptex. Download the application. Next, create an account. Just simple. Enter your email ID, password, confirm password, and accept. That's it. Just simple. Now, I am logged in to my account. Inside my account, you see total balance here. Just I started today. Let's go and open the download application. Here we are, Cryptex. Setup file. Double click and install it. Just simple. Watch full video. I will tell you some important tips to avoid your system damage. Finishing the installation. Wait little bit. Now, we want to sign in into our account. And then, you see the screen. Cryptex. Working. Mining on your PC. It show you a GPU and CPU. On your PC, you see my balance. Because I am starting my mining today. But, you see, it's very simple. It start automatically. Mining on your PC. Now you see. It show the temperature of your GPU. You can monitor it. And it show power, fan and GPU usage. And you can anytime turn on your GPU and turn off your GPU. And you can see how much you can earn from your GPU and how much you can earn from CPU. Play with your switches and you can see how much you can earn from both. Okay, now you have some important tips. The estimation revenue vary according to the how much solution you were made. It depends on your hardware. You made more than $300 per month. It's really good amount, no? Once again I repeat this. Just run the application. Check with your revenue estimation according to your hardware. And if you okay with that, then work on this. Because revenue vary according to your hardware. Before trying this, noted one important point. Check the GPU temperature. It's really important one. I can use two GPU monitoring software to check GPU temperature because it's very important. Some application, they tell the GPU temperature is not exceed 75%, some apps tell below 80%, but I am seriously monitoring below 75%. It's really important, kindly noted. Now, you see my GPU temperature is below 75%, and you ask about my hardware. My GPU, GeForce RTX 2060, and my processor is i7 9th Gen. See my computer configuration. I will show the screen of my computer, processor, and RAM. RAM is also important for mining. I think now, you have idea about the mining? And one big question for you all? How we can withdraw money? Once again I repeat, how we can withdraw our money, how can get it? Go to cryptex.org website, click the dashboard. Here you can see your balance, solution you solve, and total dollars you earn. Simply go and click with request payment. Lot of options for you. Because in Cryptex, you can choose payment method by Bitcoin, Ethereum, Kiwi, Yandex Money, Russian cards, Web Money, Visa, MasterCard, Amazon gift cards, Union Pay, a lot of payment methods. You can easily withdraw your money, just simple. For example, you want to withdraw through Bitcoin, you need to simple enter the Bitcoin address, and you have take note about that. For every transaction, Cryptex charge some small fees for each transaction. And you want to enter the Bitcoin address. For that you want to create wallet. You have lot of crypto wallet website you create, and from there you copy the address for Bitcoin. That's it. Just simple. This is the easiest way to mining. Each and everyone try with this. First test and learn how it's work, and enter into the mining world. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like this video. Thank you.
Subscribe to Bilbo YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get latest technology videos from Bilbo.